Hello students of class 12, welcome to YouTube online class. So here in this video we will be solving few questions from exercise B, that is 26B, right? In my previous interactive class we have solved just one question based on marginal cost. So in this exercise we will be solving a few more questions, like questions will be based on average cost and marginal cost. So one cost function is given here, you see one polynomial is given and we need to find here average cost as well as marginal cost. So let's see first what is the formula. Average cost, when it is said, that means AX is denoted by average cost, right? Average cost is given by cost function total divided by number of units. That means if cost function, if you divide each and every term by x, then you will be getting the average cost. Like we used to find what is the average of your marks in your class 8 or class 12, then what we do, we add all the subjects marks which we get by total divided by total number of marks, right? So like this we get the average of all the total data. Similarly, we will be getting the total average cost, means here cost function we will be dividing by number of units. That means if x is the unit, so we have to divide by x. So average cost for this question will be AX is denoted by average cost, that is 1 by 3x cube. If you divide it by x, here x square by x minus 8x by x plus 5 by x, right? So x and 1x will get cancelled, then we will be getting here x square, right? So x and x got cancelled, we will get here x, we will get here 8 and we will get here 5 by x. So this is our average cost. It's very simple, just cost function whatever it is given, you divide by each and every term by x. Now let's see for the marginal cost. For the marginal cost means here, so what will be the minimum price, okay, that a customer can or a shopkeeper can give to the customer, right? So what will be the minimum cost price for the customer? That is marginal cost, mx marginal cost, that is ddx of cos x. So we'll differentiate this cost function now, that is ddx of cost function what we have here, that is 1 by 3 x cube x square minus 8x plus 5. Okay, now ddx if you differentiate individually, that means 1 by 3 will be outside. Now ddx of x cube, that means 3x square, that is power comes from power minus 1, plus now ddx into x square will get here 2x minus ddx of 8x is 8 and ddx of 5 is 0, right? So what will be our answer then? Marginal cost mx equals to 3 and 3 will get cancelled, we will get here x square plus 2x minus 8. So this is our marginal cost, right? So average cost, if it is being asked, then you will divide each and every term by x, and marginal cost you need to differentiate the cost function. So before going to the next question, you see whenever you are watching my videos, whether it for physics or whether it for maths, you turn your cell phone horizontally. You do not see the YouTube videos vertically, otherwise you will be getting the small image and you will not be able to find my letters whatever I am writing. As you see, I am writing very small, so if you just zoom it, or if you are looking the videos horizontally like this, keeping your mobile like this, then I think it will be better for you, right? So and definitely use headphone so for clear understanding, okay? So you should not miss any term or whatever I am teaching here. So let's see what is the question number 2 here. The cost of producing x units of product is given by c equals to 7x plus 30, 130. That is cost function is given, and what we have to prove, so that the marginal cost is always constant. That means we have to prove that marginal cost is always constant, any value k. If we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 any number, then we can say that that is a constant, right? So let's see now. So marginal cost we know that is ddx of cx. This is the formula. So marginal cost x equals to ddx of cx. What is cx given in the question? That is 7x plus 130, right? ddx of 7x is 7 plus ddx of 130 is 0. So what we are getting here? 7 is a constant. Therefore mx or the marginal cost is a constant. Okay, is always constant. For question number 3, in the question cost function is given in the question, that means the cost function of a firm is Cx equals to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Find average cost and marginal cost when x equals to 10 and when x equals to 2. Right? So cost function as it is given, we can easily find its average cost by dividing each and every term by x. Like average cost is equals to Cx by x. This formula we are using here. That means what is our Cx? That is 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 total divided by x, right? Now each and every term, if I divide 2x squared by x minus 4x by x plus 5 by x, okay, in the numerator we have trinomial and in denominator we have monomial, so we will be dividing each and every term. If we cancel, we will get 2x minus 4 plus 5 by x, right? So this is the average cost. But here in the question it says find average cost and marginal cost when x equals to 10, x equals to 2. So when x equals to 10, if x equals to 10, then 18, here in place of x we will put 10. Then what we will get here? 2 into 10 minus 4 plus 5 by 10, right? So we will be getting here 20 minus 4 plus 0.5 or 20 minus 10. We can write here 16 plus 0.5. Answer is 16.5 answer, right? Average cost when x equals to 10. Similarly, we will find for x when x equals to 2, what is the average cost? So in place of x, again I will substitute here 2. So what will get here? 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 5 by 2. So you see 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 4 plus 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5. 4 and 4 will get cancelled, we will get 2.5. That means a equals to 2. That means a2 when average cost is for x value of 2, then we will be getting average cost as 2.5. Now we have to find the marginal cost, and what will be the marginal cost when x equals to 10 and x equals to 2. So marginal cost we have seen, that is ddx of cost function, that is ddx of cost function is 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, right? So ddx of 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, so I have separated here. Now ddx I have multiplied by 2x squared. Now ddx of 2x squared is 2 to the 4, we will get here 4x. ddx of 4x is 4 plus ddx of 5 is 0. 5 is a constant term, right? Here we have x and here we don't have x, so it is constant, so it becomes 0. So what we will get here? Marginal cost we are getting here 4x minus 1 if I take 4 common from here. Now we have to find here when x equals to 10, what is marginal cost, right? So marginal cost, that means m10 here, 4, 10 minus 1, that is 4, 10 minus 1 is 9, so 9 4s are 36, right? Now when x equals to 2, what will be the marginal cost? That means m2. So here again 4, here 2 minus 1, we will get here 4 into 1, that is 4 is the answer, right? So these are the answers. So average cost we have found, we have substituted here 10 and 2. Similarly, we have found the marginal cost and we have substituted here 10 and 2, will get the required answer, right? Next question we have here, cost function 0.005x cube minus 0.02x square plus 30x plus 5000, right? We have to find the average cost, and also we have to find the average cost when 10 units are produced, right? Also we have to find marginal cost when 3 units are produced, and cost function is already given in the question. Now you see, first in order to find the average cost, we will be dividing each and every term by x, right? So here if I divide this one by x, then x cube will become x squared will become x, and x and x will get cancelled and we will get only 30, and 5000 by x. So this is our average cost. So 5 by 1000 can also be written as 0.005 x square minus 0.02x plus 30 plus 5000 by x, right? This is one one of our answer, that is answer of 1. Now average cost when output is 10 unit, that means when output is 10 unit means when number of units which is produced is 10, so what was is average cost. So here you see this was our answer number 1. Now in answer number 2 what we have done, ax in place of x I have substituted here 10. Now 5 by 1000 as it is, x square, x is what our 10, that means 10 square is 100, minus 2 by 100, in place of x I have substituted 10, 30 as it is. Now 5000 by 10. Now if you cancel here, what you will get, 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled, we will get 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10 plus 30 plus 500, that is 500 plus 30, that is 530. 0.5 minus 0.2 will get 0.3. So if you add together, we will get 530.3, right? So this was our average cost when output is 10 unit. So next question we have here, marginal cost we have to find, and we have to find when x is 3, right? So marginal cost we have to differentiate this one. See, I have differentiated here. ddx of x cube is 3x square, this one as it is. ddx of x square we have here 2x as it is. ddx of 30x is 30, and ddx of 5000 is 0. Now if this 30 goes, then we will get in the denominator, that is 5 by 1000. Now 5 into 3, that is 15 by 1000 x square, minus 2 to the 4x by 100 plus 30. Now just the calculation, we will place the position of the decimal point and we will get this answer. Now in place of x we will substitute here 3 and we will calculate, right? So after calculating we are getting the answer, that is 30.015. So this was our marginal cost, and when marginal cost when 3 units are produced, and average cost when the output is 10 units, which already I have explained. So there are a few questions in this exercise, those are similar to this. So you practice these questions in your exercise book and let me know which question you are having doubt. So up to question number 5, if the questions are very same, okay, I will give the picture of this exercise. Those who don't have book, you can refer these questions, right? I will be giving in the WhatsApp group. And up to question number 5, the questions are very same as how we have solved today. In question number 6, we have to prove marginal cost equals to average cost. One cost function is given. So find first its average cost, then keep it as RHS, and in LHS find whatever that cost function is given, you differentiate that one, then you will get the marginal cost, right? And you will just compare, you will find that LHS equals to RHS, right? Now in that question number 7, or in the question number 6 itself, here we have to get the value of x when marginal cost equals to average cost. Like cost function will be given in the question. So from this cost function you will find its average cost by dividing this cost function by x, right? Similarly you will find its marginal cost by differentiating this cost function. Now whatever answer you are getting for average cost and marginal cost, you will equate both, and from there you will get the value of x. Get the value of x, that is our required answer. So solve up to question number 6. Next questions we will be solving in my next online class.